Well, the battle over federal funding and sanctuary jurisdictions goes far beyond the Victims of Crime Act that we just talked about. This is a letter here that a U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi sent to Governor Kotek on Wednesday, basically a warning shot that the federal government is aware of Oregon's sanctuary status. The DOJ is threatening investigations, civil or criminal actions, and leveraging things like federal contracts and, of course, federal funds if the state doesn't make efforts to help federal immigration enforcement. The AG writing, "You are hereby notified that your jurisdiction has been identified as one that engages in sanctuary policies and practices that thwart federal immigration enforcement to the detriment of the interests of the United States. This ends now." And she gives a deadline of tomorrow for Governor Kotek to respond. The last we heard from the governor's office this morning was that they are reviewing the AG's letter, but argued that Oregon sanctuary law does not obstruct federal immigration efforts. The governor releasing a statement that reads, "I will fight for the safety and prosperity of every Oregonian, from recent immigrants to people who have been here for generations. Threats like this undermine our values and our right to govern ourselves. We will not be bullied into doing the federal government's job of immigration enforcement." Now, of course, Oregon is not alone. Washington Governor Bob Ferguson received a letter from Bondi as well over the Evergreen State's sanctuary status. Washington AG Nick Brown says the DOJ has no legal standing and calls the letter a threat.
Don't take those threats lightly. I mean, to have the Attorney General of the United States making threats against local officials is absurd and should be noteworthy for everyone that's paying attention.
Governor Ferguson posting on social media today that he will respond to Bondi tomorrow, but that, quote, "Washington has no intention of changing our values in the face of threats from the Trump administration."